My North Carolina girl. Woo-hoo! Are you ready for a transformation?
I am ready.
Because they thinned it out so much on the inner, like you have to have a balance. You know, so I'm kind of like finding that balance, like where it's bulky on the bottom, I could do a little more inside, but not to your ends though.
Right.
Super thin. See, look, it's missing right here. It's real heavy right here. I feel it. It's just the weight of the hair. And we want to pull this, and we're going to check it this way, because the Farrah faucet really has to go back here. See how pretty that'll lay right there?
This one is. This is the one that actually does. Yeah.
See how nice it's falling?
So different.
Well, and this is a thing. So a shag for long hair, you could take that angle and come up. A shag for like hair that needs to be tapered in. Your hair needs to be tapered in. Okay, right here, they'll just like bring it down a little bit. So you have it, and you need a smaller brush. Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. So I'm super excited. This is Jackie.
Hey.
Beautiful Farrah Fawcett. I want to show you her hair. Let's turn you around. Look at this hair. She has got such incredible, beautiful hair. So she came from North Carolina. So Jackie, tell us who you are and where you're from.
My name is Jackie Terry, and I have a salon in Oak Island, North Carolina. Been doing hair 40 years, and been following Kim at least 5. I loved how she layers hair, loved her haircuts, and this is wonderful. I'm so happy.
So you and your husband, this is your anniversary.
This is our anniversary. So we tied a great haircut into our anniversary trip.
Right.
It's been a day in New York City.
And New York, yay! So I told her, hey, would your salon team want me to come and teach your whole staff how to do beach ball, Farrah Fawcett, 80s haircut, shag? And she said,
yes, I'd love
yes. So listen, anybody that's in her town, that's hairdressers or cosmetology
Oak Island,
students,
Southport, Wilmington, North Carolina.
got that? So this way you can keep in touch with her. So how would they get in touch with you?
Coastal Beauty Salon at gmail.com.
And that's the name of her salon too, right? So it's Coastal
Beauty.
So maybe her next haircut, I could go up there and, do a great show for you guys. You guys could all learn it because everybody's asking me of every state. We just did a list of all the states that people came from, and they're like, can you please come to our state and teach us how to do this? So that's what I want to do, and I might start doing that. Even if I did it like every other month, went to another state for 3 days, and you got hairdressers, you have to come, or salon owners, you come and email me at success@coach-kimmy.com if you want me to come to your salon. But she'll be my first one that I'll do, so.
That'd be
she
great.
traveled, yeah.
That would be great.
Thank you guys, and enjoy your day. God bless you. Is there a lot of strong women out there that do all the cooking, do all the cleaning, take care of the whole household, goes shopping, does the list, puts it all away, cooks it, over and over and over and over. We do it all. It becomes so routine, and you just don't realize that you have no time for yourself, and you're just like, where does time go? It's just passing me by. And you overfunction all the time, and we don't really have peace. We're not carrying peace in our nervous system. We don't have peace in our mind. Our brain just goes like a hamster on a wheel. It's just going and going and going and going. Because as soon as you get home, you're like, okay, you worked all day. Now you get home. Now you got to do this and do that. And oh my God, you forgot about this. And oh, don't forget about that. And we're just overloaded with busyness. Busy, busy, busy. Well, let me tell you, I used to be that person. I am not anymore. I've learned how to say no, no, no. And I just want you to know that's why I created this a complete emotional breakthrough. It's a 90-day course that I'm doing, and it's going to be the best decision you ever made in your life. Listen, 2026, what do you want for this year? Do you want peace of mind? Do you want a calm nervous system? Do you want a peaceful inside of your whole entire body? Peace that surpasses all understanding, right? It's like we have to learn to live life and be joyful and happy and like enjoy it. It's going by so fast. It's time to slow down. We got to slow down, and we have to like take care of ourselves. We got to like grow emotionally and mentally, spiritually and physically and financially, right? I feel like everything follows and everything comes easier if you learn how to calm down and calm that nervous system down, calm the crazy brain down. So that's why I created this. So I'm super excited. I'm going to be walking with you live coaching for 90 minutes a week, and it's going to be a great thing. You're going to have a whole support system of other women that are very similar to us, and we're going to unload all of the extra baggage that we don't need to carry anymore, right? We're going to get rid of everything that doesn't serve us towards our good goals, right? We're going to get rid of everything that doesn't serve us towards the bad goals. So what do you want this year? I'm super excited for you to be here. I really hope you join me on this incredible journey of emptying out that U-Haul truck, and much more to come. This is Coach Kimmy. I look forward